Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with a 5.7-liter 350 engine that runs great. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a white exterior with a blue interior. The truck runs on gasoline and has undergone several upgrades and repairs to ensure its performance and durability. Recent work includes new brakes, a new rear brake line, a new wheel cylinder, a new master cylinder, an idle air control valve, a throttle position sensor, a coolant temperature sensor, new spark plugs, a new fuel filter, and a new Y-pipe along with exhaust donuts. The transmission, a 700R4, has been rebuilt and has less than 500 miles on it, with paperwork to verify the work done. Additionally, a new external transmission cooler and stainless braided oil lines have been installed. The transfer case has been inspected and resealed, with a receipt available. The engine is a Jasper replacement, installed by a previous owner, and is estimated to have around 60,000 miles on it. Structurally, the truck is in great condition, with no frame rust or major dents, only minor surface rust inside the bed. It is a solid vehicle that does not leak any fluids. However, it does require a ball joint replacement, an alignment, and attention to a torn CV boot. Number 2. 1991 Ford F250, price $7,500, mostly original pickup with 150,000 miles. It features a 351W engine, a ZF5 5-speed manual transmission, and a floor-shift 4x4 system. The off-white exterior and tan interior give it a classic look. Originally from Utah, the undercarriage was previously coated for protection, though some peeling has led to light rust and scaling. The body is solid overall, with minor rust under the rear flares and cab corners, while the rockers and front fenders remain in good shape. Not a restored truck, but also not in need of one, it only requires minor fixes typical for a 30-year-old vehicle. Most of the truck remains original, aside from a reupholstered seat and a few small updates. Running on gasoline, it still holds its rugged charm and would be a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic pickup. Number 3. 1976 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000, with 126,000 miles, a 350 engine, and an automatic transmission. Finished in blue inside and out, it remains mostly original, retaining its factory radio, glass, and unmodified structure. Mechanically solid, it has a new heater core, radiator, water pump, and tires. The truck starts, runs, drives, and stops well, with current inspection and insurance. While it has typical square body dents, dings, and rust in common areas, it remains fully drivable. Upgrades include Dakota digital gauges and a new custom True Dual exhaust. It also comes with new parts, including a gas tank, Edelbrock AVS intake, and chrome dress-up accessories. Number 4. 1960 Ford F100, price $8,500, with a manual transmission, a white exterior, and a brown interior. It retains its original inline-six 223 engine and 3-on-the-tree column-shift transmission. The truck runs and drives well, with extensive work already done, though it is not fully restored. While there is some minor rust, it does not affect the body or frame. It comes with a clean Texas title. Many key components have been replaced, including new tires, brake lines, brake shoes, wheel cylinders, and a new clutch. The interior has been refreshed with new seat padding, a seat cover, and carpeting. It also has new brake lights, turn signals, and replacement door glass, not yet installed. The bed is coated with Rhino liner for durability. Mechanically, it features new gas lines, a new gas tank, a new carburetor, radiator hoses, heater hose fittings, and freeze plugs, with a flushed cooling system. Number 5. 1989 GMC 1500, price $7,500, original 5.7L V8 engine with an automatic transmission. While the odometer stopped at 96,000 miles, the truck remains in excellent running condition. A brand new transmission was installed on July 15, 2024, ensuring smooth performance. It features a 5.7 drop with an underbed C-notch from IHC suspension, a fresh red paint job and bed liner, completed in August 2024, brand new tires, and a cowl hood. The gray interior has working heat and AC but needs some TLC. The passenger side mirror and windshield are cracked, the center console is damaged, the headliner needs replacement, and there is no radio. Despite minor flaws, this GMC 1500 is a well-maintained and stylish truck with key recent upgrades. Number 6. 1985 Dodge D150, price $4,500. It has 148,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior and runs on gasoline. This truck runs and drives well, with no dents and almost no rust, except for a small spot in the bed, as shown in the pictures. The dashboard is in excellent condition with no cracks. While it will require some work, it remains a solid and reliable truck, making it a great choice for a project vehicle. Additionally, it includes both interior and exterior trim pieces, along with side marker lights. Number 7. 1984 Ford F150, price $5,250, with 122,000 miles. It features a reliable 300 inline-6 engine, a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, and a white exterior with a blue interior. Running on gasoline, it has recently received several upgrades, including a new battery, starter motor, starter solenoid, windshield wiper motor and switch, emergency brake lines, and 4 new tires. Professional work has been done on the clutch and brakes, with receipts available. The interior has been refreshed with a period-correct seat reupholstery, sound-deadening material, and a new dash cover. The only known issue is a non-functional gas gauge, but overall, this F150 is a dependable and classic truck with extensive recent maintenance. Number 8. 1999 Ford F150, price $8,995. This truck is a flawless, super clean, and featuring a 4.6L engine with 4-wheel drive. Despite having 236,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent condition and looks almost like new. The truck has been meticulously maintained, ensuring it drives smoothly with no issues. It comes with good tires, a cold air conditioning system, and a clean Carfax report, along with a clean title. The exterior is finished in green, complementing its gray interior, and it runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. Finding another F-150 from this era in such outstanding condition would be nearly impossible. Number 9. 1971 Ford F-150, price $6,500, with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a gray exterior and is equipped with a 1969 grille, giving it a distinctive look. The body has been sanded down to bare metal and coated with DTM primer, showing very minimal rust. While it retains some dings and dents, the truck remains structurally strong and well preserved. Under the hood, it is powered by a 390 engine that has been upgraded with a new mild cam, lifters, valve springs, an aluminum intake, and a 4-barrel carburetor, enhancing both performance and reliability. Inside, sound-deadening material has been installed, along with brand new carpeting. A custom-made center console houses a newly installed shifter, adding both functionality and style. The interior also benefits from new door seals, a radio, and speakers for added comfort and convenience. Number 10. 1968 Ford F100, price $6,000, features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. It has a striking black exterior paired with a red interior, creating a classic and bold look. Ready to be clear-coated to preserve its patina or serving as the perfect foundation for a complete restoration, this truck has seen its original 360 engine replaced with a powerful FE390 by the previous owner. It runs exceptionally well and has received several recent upgrades, including a new Pertronix igniter electronic ignition and coil, new brakes with fresh brake drums, a new Power Brake Master cylinder, as well as new felt window seals and rubber door seals. The interior has also been refreshed with new upholstery and a new radio, making it not only mechanically sound but also comfortable and stylish.